Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Scott, and Scott writes from Atlanta, Georgia. And Scott writes, I'm looking at rental properties to buy in my area. I've heard people say that you should never buy a property in your own name. Is it better to buy an investment property in your name or in a company name? Well, that's a great question, Scott. Now, when you buy an asset like real estate in a separate legal entity, it does provide additional liability protection to you. But when you buy in a separate legal entity, it also limits the kinds of bank financing that you can get. Okay? So when you buy a property, for example, in a short sale transaction, sometimes the bank won't allow you to purchase in a separate legal entity and will force you to buy in your own name. So really the best course of action is going to be situational. So I would say that if you have cash, right, and you plan to hold the property for some time, I would suggest you buy the property in a separate entity. But if you need bank financing to purchase the property, you may be forced to purchase the property in your own name. It's also a good idea to consult an experienced CPA and real estate attorney before you make a final decision. So thanks for your question, Scott. Good luck. For more real estate information and tips, visit performanceproperty.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.